3D Printing 101. Let's talk about the Z-seam. On every layer when we're printing an object, our printer will come to a stop. This happens, for example, when it's switching from printing an outer wall to an inner wall. This visible imperfection which is left behind is what we're calling the seam. In order to hide this, our slicers offer us a variety of options. Nearest is looking for the most sharp corner on your object in order to hide the seam. Aligned is nearly the same, but trying to keep the distance to the previous seam as close as possible so that the seam is mostly, well, aligned. Back, as the name already suggests, is placing the seam on the back of your model. This obviously depends on the orientation, but this option comes in handy when you don't care about the back quality of your print, like in a mask. And random will give you a good result when you have an object with some texture to it. Even though there's more options to hide the seam, they mostly come with a downside. We could decide for vase mode, which will have no visible seam but limits us to only one wall. Fuzzy skin, on the other hand, is an awesome feature to hide layers and the seam as well, but might mess around with tight tolerances on your models. I, for my part, don't care too much about the Z-seam, since it's usually hidden well enough inside the object itself, or the models are functional anyway.